We have the two big units, the big babies over here. If you're wanting to go big and build a multi-six-figure business or build a multi-million-dollar business, welcome to the AirBoss 750. 750-gallon hydraulic agitated tank, full sweep agitation. And check this out. Here's your hydraulic agitation, forward, neutral, and reverse. You got your staircase to go up on top of your rig. It's a beautiful rig. Once you're up on top here, you've got all your nice spacing. You've got a brush box right there. You can add water in there. Make sure you're soaking up your spray tips as well as any of your seal coat brushes that you've got on there. Double axle. You got your big ramp on the side. It allows you to pull your equipment up and down off the rig. You've got checker plated steel across this whole trailer bed. You've got a water pump accessory on here with your water hose, filling up your nice brush box over there with water and washing anything that you want off of it. Got an automatic hose reel on here as well. This is accessorized, upgraded versus the manual. You've got a 2-inch air pump on here from RhinoWorks as well. All quick connect fittings for easy disconnection and reconnection so that you can always be cleaning up your hoses. Just remember, time is money. You got your 3-gallon filter basket right there, straining out any unwanted chunks. Surge bottle up top here, preventing any hourglass shape type fan patterns on the surface. You want even coatings all the time. And check this one out. We've got the big, beautiful AirBoss 750 skid mount right here. It's a beauty. You got a 2-inch pump on here, same as the trailer rig, the extended deck trailer rig right there. 3-gallon strainer, automatic hose reel accessory, all quick connect fittings, surge bottle up top. You've got your 750-gallon tank, massive CFM, and you even have your connections on the back of these to attach a spray bar. See this right here? Spray bar connection. You can attach right here to a tote, a drum, and a water source to ultimately flush your rig as well. And same thing over on this AirBoss trailer rig right here. You've got your accessory here that you can accessorize with a spray bar right here. You can see the hitch kit on it too. You've also got a beautiful toolbox in the side of this rig. Nice deep toolbox down in there. And you also have a tool rack as well that's going to be coming standard with these as an accessory option as well. You can add that in. Not standard, sorry, it's an accessory. Staircases on the side, nice handles. You've got everything that is ready to rock and roll. Welcome to the AirBoss series. No matter where you are in your journey from a seal coating perspective, whether you're just starting out for the first time and you need a budget-oriented type spray system to invest into to get you started, or whether you're wanting to go big and build a multi-six-figure business or $1 million business, we've got the seal coat rigs that are right for you, and we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call here at Asphalt Kingdom or visit our website. We're always looking to make sure you're getting all the information, all of your questions answered, and get you on your way to laying down that black gold. We look forward to working with you, and we appreciate you. Thanks for the opportunity.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.